Welcome everyone in my new video presentation for Polygon price prediction and technicals right here for late January 2024 guys. This is a situation where the market is looking to discover the lows, a place of recovery. For Polygon, we have been suffering for the last 7 days on 10%, which do not mean that we don't have to buy into the market when they're red and sell into the market when they're green, which is exactly how we do as traders. Now, the volume for the last 24 hours is actually proving that Polygon is still staying in the tops, and it's not really giving up the dominance to be part of the cryptocurrency that are major and having a great time. Therefore, we'd like to touch bases on that and share with you the probabilities as well, the great spots for us to consider. Now, before we get into the topic, make sure to check out my YouTube channel, many other trading videos, live trades from my dashboards, from my presentations, including the ability, there is a BTC long that we have been scalping right here. We got into the trade at 39,631. We are still holding on to this one. There is about $10,000 profit on this. It has not been open a while ago, very recently. It is a 40 BTC scalp long that we have right here on the exchange. For those of you that would like to join my trades, you can definitely do so. No prior fee, just a commission from the pure profits achieved where we perform the trading for you guys. Simple and straightforward, completely done for you, just like I said, without any upfront fees. At the same time, we have basically the one-on-one coaching program for anyone looking for becoming serious about a cryptocurrency space and aiming to be trading correctly for long-term, intensively on private. You're going to learn with me between 4 to 6 weeks how to do it. So let's speak about the Polygon situations and discover exactly what's going on at the current stage of the market. Well, it's pretty much clear to all of us that this is actually a very strong level of reaction of demand. It's a demand zone as it is within a major representation of a trading structure. So it's not simply just a support zone, and this is identified very clearly based on the previous market reactions. Just like I noted, this one's, and that one, you actually have a double combination. You have basically a great reaction over there, which has pumped the markets from this level an insane percentage of 45%. Definitely not expecting basically to get 45% right now, but we would definitely have to break out of the downtrending resistance line established from the top. And obviously with the low, which is going to be established, we are going to target one of the two extensions of the Fibonacci golden pocket, marked with horizontal black lines right there. I'd like to share with you the fact that the first one's top appears on 15%, which is not a big deal at all for a strong recovery. And the second one is where the big deal sits on 28%, guys. I mean, as soon as the altcoins are having the ability to deliver that, it's very important to see how does the retracement and corrective movement is going to behave, due to the fact that you push into the upper golden pocket. I mean, that sits around 96-97 cents. A retracing and correcting movement can easily end on 86 cents, which can bounce on the market. And if you're breaking out on 96, you're actually continuing to the tops. Tops are dangerous. You have a supply level, but the importance is that, let me just simply take this out and share with you how does it look like on the importance side. So the importance afterwards is that whenever you retrace back, you're going to find support from the golden pocket, and this is going to sit on 96 cents. So you're going to have the ability, in a nutshell, basically to construct further breakout of the top that sits above the $1.10. This is basically the main task. If we're speaking about a bearish market condition that would actually indicate strength towards the downside and a possible retracement back into the 50 cents right there, well, then the whole picture is going to be denied on whatever we have increased for Polygon, and the markets will be total different. I mean, you're going to fall into the major lows if that happens, which is obviously something that a lot of the people are scared about. There's people right now that are trapped into longs at highs, and they are looking to survive. But the markets have definitely a chance out there not to react at this level. It has not been confirmed yet. It's basically a risk right there in terms of reaction. It's a great place basically to touch some longs, but I'm speaking out to you that this has not been confirmed out yet, and it's still basically on the table. Now, of course, as we already know, if you do not assume yourself a risk at a great spot where you have a great risk and reward ratio, then you have no way basically to perform the trading at a good skill. This is a price representation where it is worth to take action, and taking action in the right direction as well, hedging your positions and having the ability to work around the long-term trades, medium-term trades, and short-term trades is something that I actually prefer as a great combination, which means that I can be in shorts for day trades or scalping swings, and I can be longs on all sorts of other trades as well that are held for a much longer period of time. Great, beautiful. That's where we are with a Polygon, folks. It looks great in a nutshell. From here, it looks great. Even if it goes a little bit lower in terms of hitting the zone's lowest part, we are still fine on the whole picture. Great. Now, for those of you that would like to join me in terms of the trading, feel free to reach out, contact me. You have many other representation on our page. Option number 1 is no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits achieved, where we perform the trading for you completely outsourced. And you can reach out for more details. You can find out more on our spreadsheet as well. For those of you that are interested in the one-on-one coaching program, that you can check that out as well. Basically, this is my page describing how does it work, and you can also find out more on the topic. Register now for more details. Have a good time, folks, and we'll talk to you soon.